Cool fact for you, the most talkative bird in the world is the African gray parrot. Welcome to another episode, thank you for subscribing. The seriemas are the sole living members of the small bird family Cariamidae, which is also the only surviving lineage of the order Cariamiformes. The seriemas are large, long-legged territorial birds. They live in grasslands, savanna, dry woodland and open forests of Brazil, Bolivia, Argentina, Paraguay and Uruguay. There are two species of seriemas, the red-legged seriema, Cariama cristata, and the black-legged seriema, Chunga burmeisteri. They forage on foot and run from danger rather than fly. They have long legs, necks and tails, but only short wings, reflecting their way of life. They are among the largest ground-dwelling birds endemic of the Neotropics. They are brownish birds with short bills and erectile crests, found on fairly dry open country, the red-legged seriema preferring grasslands, and the black-legged seriema preferring scrub and open woodland. They give loud, yelping calls and are often heard before they are seen. They have sharp claws, with an extensible and very curved second toe claw. Ecologically, the seriema is the South American counterpart of the African secretary bird. They feed on insects, snakes, lizards, frogs, young birds and rodents with small amounts of plant food. They often associate with grazing livestock, probably to take insects the animals disturb. When seriemas catch small reptiles, they beat the prey on the ground or throw it at a hard surface to break resistance and also the bones. Because of these feeding behaviors, seriemas are important by eating detritivores and helping the soil get more nutrients from dead plant matter. In contact with humans, seriemas are suspicious and if they feel threatened, usually spread their wings and face them. They walk in pairs or small groups. Although perfectly capable of flying, they prefer to spend most of their time on land. They only take flight when necessary, for example to escape a predator. Overnight they take shelter in the treetops, where they also build their nests. Pairs appear to be territorial and avoid others of their species while breeding, and fights between rivals have been observed. These fights involving kicking rivals can go on for long periods of time, and involve much calling by the involved birds. Seriemas build a large bulky stick nest, lined with leaves and dung, which is placed in a tree. The placement of the nest is so that the adults can reach the nest by foot rather than flying, through hops and the occasional flutter. Both sexes are involved in building the nest. They lay 2 or 3 white or buff eggs sparsely spotted with brown and purple. The female does most of the incubation, which lasts from 24 to 30 days. Hatchlings are downy but stay in the nest for about 2 weeks, after which they leave the nest and follow both parents. They reach full maturity at the age of 4 to 5 months. I am very happy that you could spend time with me for these wonderful animals. God bless you. See you pretty soon.